Biohacking is a movement that empowers individuals to optimize their biology using science, technology, and self-experimentation. It's about taking control of your health, performance, and even genetics, often outside traditional medical settings. DIY biology, a related concept, involves hands-on experimentation with biological systems, sometimes in home labs or community spaces. Together, these fields are reshaping how we think about personal health and scientific discovery. In this opening scene, we'll set the stage for our journey into the world of biohacking and DIY biology, exploring the motivations, risks, and rewards that drive enthusiasts to push boundaries. Roots of biohacking trace back to the early 2000s, when curious minds began experimenting with their own biology. Inspired by the open-source movement and advances in biotechnology, early biohackers sought ways to improve health, cognition, and longevity. DIY biology emerged as a grassroots effort, with community labs and online forums providing platforms for sharing knowledge and techniques. This scene explores how biohacking evolved from fringe curiosity to a global phenomenon, highlighting key milestones and influential figures who shaped the movement. DIY biology, or do-it-yourself biology, is about conducting biological experiments outside traditional laboratories. Enthusiasts use affordable equipment and open-access resources to explore genetics, microbiology, and synthetic biology. Community labs offer safe spaces for collaboration, while online platforms connect global participants. DIY biology democratizes science, allowing anyone with curiosity and determination to contribute to research and innovation. This scene delves into the practical aspects of DIY biology, from setting up a home lab to joining a local biohacker space. Biohackers pursue a wide range of goals, from enhancing physical performance to improving mental clarity and extending lifespan. Some focus on nutrition, sleep, and exercise, while others experiment with supplements, wearable devices, or genetic modifications. The common thread is a desire for self-improvement and a willingness to explore unconventional methods. In this scene, we'll examine the motivations behind biohacking, highlighting the diversity of approaches and the personal stories that drive individuals to experiment. Some biohacks have gained widespread popularity, such as intermittent fasting, nootropics, and quantified self-tracking. Intermittent fasting involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting to boost metabolism and brain function. Nootropics are supplements or drugs that enhance cognitive performance. Quantified self refers to tracking health metrics using apps and devices. This scene explores these popular biohacks, their scientific basis, and the experiences of those who have tried them. Genetic biohacking involves modifying DNA to achieve specific outcomes, such as resistance to disease or improved physical traits. Techniques like CRISPR have made gene editing more accessible, sparking interest among DIY biologists. While genetic biohacking holds promise, it also raises ethical and safety concerns. This scene discusses the basics of gene editing, the potential benefits, and the risks associated with experimenting on one's own genome. Human microbiome, a complex ecosystem of bacteria and other microorganisms, plays a crucial role in health. Biohackers experiment with probiotics, prebiotics, and dietary changes to influence their microbiome. DIY biologists may even sequence their gut bacteria to track changes over time. This scene explores how manipulating the microbiome can impact digestion, immunity, and mental health, and the tools available for self-experimentation. Wearable technology, such as fitness trackers and smartwatches, enables biohackers to monitor health metrics in real time. Devices track sleep, heart rate, activity, and more, providing data for self-optimization. Some biohackers use advanced wearables to measure glucose levels or brain activity. This scene highlights the role of wearable tech in biohacking, the types of devices available, and how data-driven insights can guide personal experiment. Safety is a top concern in DIY biology and biohacking. Enthusiasts must understand the risks of self-experimentation, including potential harm and legal issues. Community labs often provide training and guidelines to ensure safe practices. This scene discusses the importance of safety protocols, the role of oversight, and how biohackers can protect themselves and others while exploring new frontiers. Biohacking raises important ethical questions, from the right to self-experiment to the potential impact on society. Issues include privacy, consent, and the possibility of unintended consequences. DIY biologists and biohackers must navigate these challenges, balancing innovation with responsibility. This scene explores the ethical landscape of biohacking, highlighting debates and guiding principles that shape the movement. Community labs are hubs for DIY biology, offering access to equipment, training, and collaboration. These spaces foster innovation and inclusivity, welcoming people from diverse backgrounds. Members share ideas, conduct experiments, and contribute to citizen science projects. This scene introduces the concept of community labs, their role in democratizing science, and how they support safe and ethical biohacking. DIY biologists undertake a variety of projects, from brewing kombucha to engineering bacteria that glow in the dark. Some explore genetic engineering, while others focus on environmental monitoring or health diagnostics. Projects range from simple experiments to ambitious innovations. This scene showcases examples of DIY biology projects, emphasizing creativity, resourcefulness, and the spirit of exploration. Nutrition is a key focus for many biohackers. They experiment with diets, supplements, and fasting protocols to optimize energy, cognition, and longevity. DIY biologists may analyze their own blood or microbiome to tailor nutrition plans. This scene explores the intersection of biohacking and nutrition, highlighting popular strategies and the science behind them. Biohackers often seek to improve sleep quality using data, supplements, and environmental changes. Wearables track sleep patterns, while DIY biologists experiment with light exposure, temperature, and routines. This scene discusses sleep optimization strategies, the science behind them, and how biohackers use technology to achieve better rest. Enhancing mental performance is a major goal for biohackers. Techniques include meditation, cognitive training, and nootropics. DIY biologists may measure brain activity or experiment with neurofeedback devices. This scene explores methods for boosting mental clarity, focus, and creativity, and the role of self-experimentation in cognitive enhancement. Fitness biohacks range from personalized workout routines to advanced recovery techniques. Biohackers use data from wearables to optimize exercise, track progress, and prevent injury. DIY biologists may experiment with supplements or genetic factors influencing performance. This scene highlights fitness biohacks, the tools used, and the science supporting these approaches. Biohackers use a variety of devices from implantable chips to external sensors. These tools provide data, automate tasks, or enhance capabilities. DIY biologists may build or modify devices to suit their needs. This scene explores the range of biohacking devices, their functions, and the creative ways enthusiasts integrate technology into their lives. Data is central to biohacking. Enthusiasts collect and analyze health metrics to guide experiments and measure outcomes. DIY biologists use spreadsheets, apps, and cloud platforms to track progress. This scene discusses the importance of data-driven decision-making, the tools available, and how biohackers use information to refine their strategies. Biohacking and DIY biology carry risks including physical harm, legal issues, and unintended consequences. Enthusiasts must weigh the benefits against potential dangers. Community labs and online forums provide guidance, but personal responsibility is key. This scene examines common risks, how to mitigate them, and the importance of informed decision-making. Legal environment for biohacking and DIY biology varies by country and region. Regulations may govern genetic modification, medical devices, and lab safety. Biohackers must stay informed about laws and compliance. This scene explores the legal landscape, highlighting key regulations and the importance of responsible experimentation. Biohacking thrives in online and offline communities. Forums, social media groups, and local meetups connect enthusiasts, share knowledge, and foster collaboration. DIY biologists benefit from collective wisdom and support. This scene highlights the role of community in biohacking, the platforms used, and the value of shared experiences. Citizen science projects invite the public to participate in research, often alongside professional scientists. DIY biologists contribute to environmental monitoring, health studies, and genetic research. This scene explores the impact of citizen science, the opportunities available, and how biohackers advance scientific discovery. Many biohackers have achieved remarkable results, from reversing chronic illness to enhancing performance. DIY biologists have contributed to breakthroughs in genetics and environmental science. This scene shares inspiring success stories, illustrating the potential of biohacking and the impact of individual initiative. Biohackers face challenges such as limited resources, skepticism, and technical barriers. DIY biologists must overcome obstacles in equipment, funding, and expertise. This scene discusses common challenges, strategies for overcoming them, and the resilience required to pursue biohacking goals. Future of biohacking and DIY biology is bright, with advances in technology, genetics, and data science driving innovation. New tools and platforms will make experimentation safer and more accessible. This scene explores emerging trends, the potential for mainstream adoption, and the role of biohackers in shaping the future of science. Biohacking intersects with healthcare, offering new approaches to prevention, diagnosis, and treatment. DIY biologists may develop diagnostic tools or contribute to medical research. This scene examines the relationship between biohacking and healthcare, the opportunities for collaboration, and the potential to transform medicine. Education is essential for safe and effective biohacking. Community labs, online courses, and workshops provide training in biology, genetics, and safety. DIY biologists benefit from accessible resources and mentorship. This scene highlights educational opportunities, the importance of learning, and how biohackers build skills. Biohackers and DIY biologists contribute to environmental solutions, such as monitoring pollution or engineering organisms for sustainability. Projects may involve water testing, soil analysis, or creating eco-friendly materials. This scene explores environmental biohacking, its impact, and the creative ways enthusiasts address ecological challenges. Biohacking has broader implications for society, influencing health, education, and innovation. DIY biology democratizes science, empowering individuals and communities. This scene discusses the societal impact of biohacking, the opportunities for positive change, and the challenges of integration. Biohacking and DIY biology represent a new frontier in science and self-improvement. From nutrition and fitness to genetics and environmental solutions, enthusiasts are pushing boundaries and redefining what's possible. As technology advances and communities grow, biohacking will continue to evolve, offering exciting opportunities and challenges. In this final scene, we reflect on the journey, the lessons learned, and the future possibilities for biohackers and DIY biologists everywhere.